Hey guys, how are you all? Today in this video, I'll explain how to import the photos and videos from iPhone to PC. Many people use some third-party apps to import the videos from iPhone to PC, but we are not gonna use any third-party apps here. I'll say the very simple method in this video. Let's get started. First, connect your iPhone to your Windows with a USB cable. After that, go to the Start menu on the PC and search for the Photos app in the search box. Go to that Photos app and you can see the unwanted tabs. Just close that unwanted tabs, and what you have to do is just choose the import option on the top right side. Select from a connected device in that. Now click on the Apple iPhone. That's it guys. Select the photos and videos that you want to import now and give import. Importing process has started now. Yeah, now your photos have been imported successfully. Tap on the OK button. That's it. And if you found this video helpful, then like, share and subscribe to iPhonetopics.com and tap on the bell icon so that you'll be notified when we post a new video.